Hello, boys and girls. Today we get to do a brand new coin. Yay! One of my favorites, the 50-cent piece. So this is the 50-cent piece book. This is a 50-cent piece. It is a big coin and it has got a great rhyme. My favorite rhyme. Ready? 50-cent piece, giant size. With 50 cents you can buy some fries. Woo! Who wouldn't want to buy some French fries? With 50 cents, you can buy more than you can with a penny, with a nickel, with a dime, or with a quarter. And it is worth more than all of those coins combined. It is worth 50 cents. Let's say that rhyme again. 50-cent piece, giant size. With 50 cents, you can buy some fries. Now you try and say it. 50-cent piece, giant size. With 50 cents, you can buy some fries. Great job. Let's learn a little bit about the 50-cent piece. This is the president on the 50-cent piece. His name was John F. Kennedy. And he was a young man when he was president, okay? He had a little boy and a little girl, and he was married to a lady named Jackie. So this is his profile picture on the coin. Again, it says, Liberty, in God we trust, 2009. And on the back, it has the presidential seal. This is a sign you will see anytime the president is talking to us on the TV. The presidential seal is hanging in front of his podium. And it says, United States of America, $50. Now let's look at some of the things that the eagle has here. He has a shield on him, just like the shield on the penny. He has a banner that says E pluribus unum, out of many, one. It says $50. There is, I think that is an olive branch for peace, maybe with olives on it. Here, in his other hand, he has arrows to show strength. So we like peace, but we also have strength in our country. Let's count how many stars are up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 stars for the original 13 colonies. When the United States was founded, there were only 13 states. That's for the first 13 states, and Georgia was one of them. Then we have 50 stars going all the way around to stand for each of the 50 states that we have today. Let's flip this page. How many nickels does it take to make a 50-cent piece? Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 cents. You have to put together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nickels. 10 nickels is the same as one 50-cent piece. How about dimes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A dime is worth how much? 10 cents. That's right. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 cents. 10 dimes. And here we have 50 pennies. 50 pennies equals 50 cents. Or 2 quarters. 25 and 25 equals one 50-cent piece. Are you ready to see a real 50-cent piece, boys and girls? Okay, boys and girls, here is a real 50-cent piece. Look how big it is. See, it says Liberty, in God we trust. And the year that this one was made is 1981. And then on the back, you can see United States of America, the eagle, the presidential seal. It's a very pretty coin, isn't it? Why don't you ask your mom and dad if they have any 50-cent pieces at home? It'd be really nice to see a real 50-cent piece. Look, the side has little ridges on it. Okay. Let's see how big a 50-cent piece is compared to our other coins. Okay. Here is the 50-cent piece. How big is a 50-cent piece compared to a quarter? Here's my quarter, George Washington. Wow. It's bigger than a quarter, isn't it? How big is it compared to a nickel? Here's my nickel, old Thomas Jefferson. Bigger than a nickel. How about compared to a penny with our friend Abraham Lincoln on it? Bigger than a penny. How big is it compared to our tiny friend the dime with FDR, Franklin Delano Roosevelt? Whoa, the dime is a baby next to the 50-cent piece, isn't it? Look at that. Hello. If you have all these coins at your house, I want you to find them and then set them next to each other so you can really see the difference in their sizes. Now, we have a project you're going to do. I have mailed a copy of our 50-cent piece book to all of your moms and dads so you can add a 50-cent piece book to your library. The things you are going to need to do this project are, of course, your book, not cut out yet. You need your pencil. You need some scissors. You're going to need your crayons, and you're going to need a stapler to staple your book together. All right. Let's look at my 50-cent piece book first. I'll read it to you. All about a $50. Have I called it a $50 before? 50 cents is half of a dollar. That's why sometimes you'll hear it called a $50. I've been calling it a 50-cent piece. But if you hear someone say $50, it means the same coin, okay? A $50 is worth 50 cents. This is the front. This is the back. Here's our rhyme. 50-cent piece, giant size. With 50 cents, you can buy some fries. What would you buy with a 50-cent coin? Well, of course, we know you could buy some French fries with it, but is there anything different you would buy with it? What kind of toy would you buy? Or would you buy some candy? Or something yummy to eat? Would you buy a present for somebody? I want you to think about what you would buy. You are going to sound out the word here and then draw the picture with your crayons right here. Why don't I show you? I'm going to put my 50-cent piece book together right now. All right? First thing I'm going to do, of course, is cut it out carefully. All right, now do you remember what we do next? We're going to put all these sheets in order. Page number 1 has to be on the top. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. I like to start with number 1, and then I'm going to put number 2 under it. Number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. I know you can all do this because we've done it with our other money books. Now I've got it all in order. All the pages are right side up. You can take it to your mom or your dad and get it stapled. All right. The first thing you're going to do once it's stapled is, with your pencil, write your name on the back. Then, I want you to open it up to the last page and do what would you buy with a 50-cent coin? I am going to buy some fries. So I'm going to sound that out. What letter goes? F. Fur. Eyes. Eyes. Since I'm an adult, I know that there is a secret E right here. Fries. I'm going to buy some fries. And then I'm going to use my crayons to color the fries. I'm going to pretend like I've got a biggie box of fries here. There we go. I'm going to buy some fries. After you have done your picture in the back of your book, then you can, excuse the dinging, that is Miss Laura texting me. Now you can get your black crayon. Where's my black? Here it is. And you can color your coins because they're silver. Remember how we color silver? You take your black and just press very lightly. Or you can try and do it on the side. Some of you like to use the side to do black, however you want. But we're going to color our coins so they look sort of silver. Color the front. This picture and that picture. And then you can add it to your money library. Okay, and next week, boys and girls, we get to go to the dollar bill. It'll be so fun, so I'm looking forward to that. All righty, I'll talk to you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.